Hello again, Dave's Roadies. Roadtrip Dave is coming at you from Nellie's Southern Kitchen in historic Belmont, North Carolina. That's right, it's another restaurant review. Let's check out this hidden gem in this suburb of Charlotte. Located at the corner of North Main Street and Highway 7, this restaurant has both an indoor restaurant and outdoor bar area and is open for lunch and dinner. Nellie's opened in 2016 and it continues to be a draw for many visitors around the metropolitan area of Charlotte despite its hidden location. Reservations are highly recommended, even for lunch. The reason becomes obvious when you first enter the building. The restaurant is casual in style, but the layout and furniture has a southern elegance, if you will. The table chairs have plush upholstery, and there is an intricate amount of detail from the floor to the ceiling. Nellie's actually has a Disney tie to it. The restaurant is owned by the Jonas Brothers family, and Nellie is Kevin Sr.'s grandmother who passed away in 2011. This beautiful painting that overlooks the restaurant is her portrait. Here is the stylish restaurant bar, which has a great selection of wines and specialty drinks. I really love the intricate detail of the light fixtures around the restaurant, from the stalks of cotton to the birds perched on the chandeliers. You can tell that a lot of work went into making the ambiance classy, but not stuffy. When you think of Southern food, you may get the impression that there is not a lot of variety. Well, Nellie's menu completely blows that perception away. The appetizers include pimento cheese fries, Captain Crunch chicken tenders, and fried okra, while the main entrees highlight chicken and gravy, shrimp and grits, and molasses glazed salmon. In addition, you can try healthier options like grilled shrimp and grilled chicken. The restaurant also has some burger and sandwich options, such as the Love Bug Burger and Nashville Hot Chicken Sandwich. The sides themselves are also worth mentioning, like the sautéed green beans and Trinity corn, and of course the basket of biscuits. The restaurant is family friendly, so there is a kids menu which has a good variety of entrees for little ones to eat, such as the chicken fingers and chicken and dumplings. The basket of biscuits was completely devoured by my family before I even had a chance to film it. The biscuits are taken directly from Nellie's secret recipe, and they were very scrumptious. As an added bonus, the biscuits are served with their homemade butter and strawberry preserved jelly. Stupendous. Now let's get to the main course. Nellie's is known for their fried chicken dish, which is buttermilk and hot sauce battered, served with your choice of sides. I chose the mashed potatoes and gravy, which are also made from scratch, and the sautéed green beans. You can also choose their 4-cheese macaroni, collard greens, Trinity corn, or roasted Cajun potatoes. The breading was a superb mix of spices with the buttermilk and hot sauce, and the chicken was tender and juicy without a single hint of dryness. The gravy added a savory finish to the chicken and enhanced the mashed potatoes, which were just as good without it. As for the sautéed green beans, they were flavorful, not too hard and not too soft, and tasted fresh right off the farm. I honestly have never had better green beans. Mrs. Roadtrip got the same dish as me, but she is a little more picky about gravy, and she requested that on the side. This restaurant will practically accommodate any food allergies or special requests that you may have. She commented that this may have been one of the best fried chicken dishes she had ever eaten. One of our kids ordered the chicken fingers, and Nellie's uses the same recipe as their standard fried chicken entree. The other two kids ordered a burger and had the 4-cheese macaroni as a side dish. Let me tell you guys this, the macaroni side dish is phenomenal. With its rich texture and creamy cheeses blended into the pasta, it is a satisfying side dish for even an adult entree. With the restaurant's spacious layout, you may feel motivated to take a look around, and when you go towards the kitchen and restroom area, you will find a huge collection of Jonas Brothers paraphernalia, pictures, and awards. You can peruse through the Jonas Brothers accomplishments, including other songwriting credits. I had no idea that they actually had songwriting or producing credit for the soundtrack of Ponyo, Camp Rock, and even Michael W. Smith's This Is Your Time album. Very, very cool. Keep this in mind when you visit. The Jonas Brothers are known to make frequent visits here throughout the year. Another interesting find in this back section of the restaurant by the restrooms is this portrait of who I believe is Paul Adam Jonas, Nellie's husband. However, I cannot confirm that to be him exactly. Please leave a comment below if you can confirm this. And yet, there is still another place in this restaurant to explore. The Rooftop Bar and Seating. This area provides a wonderful vantage point of Old Town Belmont, as well as a great place for live entertainment. Overall, I would rate Nellie's Southern Kitchen as 4.5 stars. Spectacular food and theming, wonderful, friendly service, and such a unique take on Southern cuisine. As we close this video out, you know the drill, Dave's Roadies. I won't even have to tell you what to do. You can just follow the titles here on the video. Make sure you check out some of my other videos from many different destinations. More videos are coming your way soon, my roadies. Until next time, laters.